guys, welcome to a new video. The time has come. I am going to cut my grown out bangs into curtain bangs. Sorry, the rats are awake, so you're probably gonna hear some noise in the background. Anyways, I'm gonna cut my hair into curtain bangs today. I am really excited. I've had bangs for years now, just straight across wispy bangs, and I thought it'd be fun to try out curtain bangs for a while. It only took about 2 months to grow out to here, I think. And by this point, I am pretty happy with the length, and I think I can cut a little bit more hair in and make it full-on curtain bangs. So I looked up some videos of other people doing curtain bangs, both professionals and kind of like, DIYers like me. And I think I have a pretty good idea of ways you can do it. So I guess let's just get started straight away. Basically, what I want to do is cut some more hair into my bangs. So as I have been wearing my bangs parted in the center, I noticed straight away that it wasn't going to work for my hair if I part it straight down the center. Because as you can see, I have a little widow's peak here, and that just grows straight sideways. It all grows in that direction and it will not part down the center. The hair that I force to the side will just come right back, and that just won't work. So I have to part my hair next to the widow's peak, which does mean that the majority of my bangs, which aren't, that much hair, are on this side and there isn't much left on the other side. So I need to even that out a little bit. And I also want to kind of incorporate a little bit more hair from the side here to get a little bit of a smoother sweep, I guess, for my bangs. So I do like the triangle shape that I have going on. I don't know if you've seen my other bang cutting video where I first cut my hair into bangs. I made a little triangle. I think that's a good shape to have bangs in, so I'm gonna stick to that, but I'm just gonna make my triangle a little bit wider, I think. Okay, I don't really want to go past my eyebrows, so I'm going to incorporate this in with the rest. Now, the reason why I'm taking such tiny sections is that I don't have a lot of hair in this area to begin with, so I don't want to, take too much away and regret it later, so I can always cut it more if it's not enough, but I don't want to start out too enthusiastically. At this point, my triangle isn't that triangle shaped anymore. It's more of a half moon, but that's fine as long as it's symmetrical and a defined shape that I can work with. So let's clip this hair away, and this is what I'm going to work with for starters, I think. And we'll see how that looks. The method I found that I think will work best for this is to take all of this hair and comb it in the opposite direction. Then hold it like this. I'm gonna go from the shortest point down. I don't think I really want to trim my hair any shorter over there. Maybe I will cut the center a little bit shorter just to get a little bit more of that curtain bang effect. Okay. I think we have a very nice sweep going on here, and this is the hard side because I have to, work like that. So I think the other side should be pretty easy to do at this point. I might come back to this, but let's just do this first, see how they match up. And I am going to take a little bit of the hair from the other side as well to add into there to make sure that the center matches up and one side doesn't end up significantly longer or shorter than the other one. Okay, center seems to match up. So let's get the other side involved, see what we have here symmetry-wise. All right, I am much happier with the fullness on this side now, but I do think I maybe want to go a little bit shorter in the center on the side still, so that I get a bit more of an angle again, because I still feel like this is too much of, I'm growing out my bangs situation going on there. And just cut the inside a little bit more. So then I'll have to do the same thing on the other side. Get that a little bit shorter. Go from there. Okay, so let's see if the length matches up at all. On the bottom here. Not really. Okay, so let's fix that. With the rest of my hair. Okay, I think they blend in really nicely. I'm gonna have to wait for this bit to grow out a little bit more so that I can incorporate that a little bit more nicely. Maybe take away a little bit of hair from the side here to make it, you know, a little bit less full on this side so that it matches up to the other side a little bit better. But for now, I'm gonna leave it like this, and I'm very happy with the way it turned out. Let's see how it looks when I wear my hair pulled back. I'm gonna just come in a little bit more on this side so that the shape matches up a little bit better. Okay, I think this is it for now. I'm gonna live with them for a bit, see how they dry naturally, see how they do when I blow dry them, see if they actually wear nicely. I feel like they blend into the rest of my hair a little bit more nicely than the just grown out blonde bangs, and I am much happier with the fullness of, you know, the stuff that's framing my face when I pull my hair back now. So here are my curtain bangs, I guess. I am quite curious to see how long I will keep these. I will admit that I have already been contemplating just cutting my bangs back because these are very high maintenance, much more than my just blunt bangs were, and I do kind of miss them. So I probably will go back to my old bangs in a few weeks' time, but I just want to, you know, try out the curtain bangs for a bit. And I do feel like this is a great transitional hairstyle for when you're trying to grow out blunt bangs that are cut across, because this will obviously grow out really nicely. You could pretty much just leave it as it is and it will grow out in that curtain shape and blend into the length of your hair really nicely. So if you are growing out your bangs and you don't want to cut them back in, then this is a great way to get through that transitional period. But I think that concludes my video today, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed seeing how I got my curtain bangs. Yeah, it's just a quick little hair update video that I always do for my subscribers. I always keep you guys updated on what happens to my hair, especially when I'm cutting it. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for lots more beauty and lifestyle content if you're interested in that. If you'd like to support me through Patreon or my merch store, there'll be links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!